Has this ever happened to you? You go to sign into your Capital One account, everything's ready, but then, password error. You try again, maybe a third time, just in case, and suddenly your account is locked. It's frustrating, but it's completely normal. Maybe you changed your password recently and forgot the new one, or maybe you just haven't signed in for a while. Whatever the reason, you need to get into your account, and you need to do it fast. We're going to walk through the quick and secure, step-by-step process for resetting your forgotten Capital One online banking password. It's a simple path, whether you're using the website or the mobile app, and it will get you back to managing your money in minutes. The process is almost identical on a computer or your phone, so let's get started. Step 1. Get to the Reset tool. First, head to the Capital One sign-in page either on their website or in the mobile app. Don't worry about trying your password again. Look right below the sign-in button for the link that says Forgot Username or Password and give that a click. This will take you to the Password Reset tool. Step 2. Enter your information. The system needs to find your account and verify it's really you. It will ask for some basic identifying information. This usually includes your last name, your social security number, and your date of birth. Fill in the required fields and then hit the Find Me button. Step 3. Account verification. Once Capital One finds your account, you'll be taken through a quick security check. You'll be prompted to recover your username, which you may or may not need, but for the password reset, you will then select Verify Me. Here's where two-factor authentication kicks in to protect your account. You'll be asked to choose a delivery method for a one-time verification code. This could be a text message to the phone number on file or an email to your registered email address. Select your preferred option and request the code. Step 4. Enter the security code and reset. Now, check your phone or your email inbox for the 6-digit verification code. Once you have it, enter that code into the field on the Capital One screen. For one final check, you may also need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security or tax ID number. After successfully verifying your identity, the system will allow you to create a brand new password. Make sure it's a strong, unique password that meets all of Capital One's security requirements. Enter your new password, confirm it, and select Reset Password. You will receive a confirmation message, and likely a confirming email, to let you know your password has been successfully updated. Select OK to complete the process and you should be taken right back to the sign-in page. Use your new password to sign in, and you're done. That's all it takes to get back into your Capital One online banking. If you ever find yourself locked out again, just remember those simple steps: forgot password to find me to verify me. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.